Imagine committing a crime, and your punishment is to clean the streets where you live. You're not behind bars, you're outside, picking up the mess. And every person walking past knows why
That's where
you're
the Dutch
there.
approach gets really interesting.
But
Imagine
here's
in
where
a
it
prison
gets
cell, and
uncomfortable.
suddenly
Imagine breaking the law and then being forced to repair the very community you harmed. Every piece of litter you pick up is a reminder your actions affected real people. Here's the twist. You commit a crime. The court doesn't just take your freedom, it can take your weekend. And instead of sitting at home, you're outside cleaning public spaces while everyone around you gets to watch. Now imagine this punishment. You broke the rules of society. So society sends you back into the community not as a prisoner, but as a worker. Your job? Give something back. But why would a justice system make criminals clean public spaces? Because there's a very different idea behind it. Don't just punish the offender, make the offender contribute. And that's where the Dutch approach gets really interesting. Imagine committing a crime, and your punishment isn't a prison cell. It's a trash bag, a pair of gloves, and a public street. And suddenly, your punishment is visible to everyone. You commit a crime. The court doesn't just take your freedom, it can take your weekend. And instead of sitting at home, you're outside cleaning public spaces while everyone around you gets to watch.